Hi guys, Bobby D here. Thank you for watching my video, which is an easy $1,000 days copying videos. Let me just say that again. Easy $1,000 days copying videos. Now, you must be wondering what I'm talking about. I'm going to show you something amazing today. Okay, it's a method I've heard of before. It's a method that works. And not only am I going to show you this crazy way of making money, I'm going to show you my secret software hack at the end of the video that will halve your time in doing this and bring in double the amount of money that you can bring in. This really is a crazy method. Now, this is all about copying other people's videos. You don't have to do anything, all right, apart from some real simple steps. So this is perfect for anybody who wants to make really easy money online, particularly if you've got an interest in YouTube. You don't have to be on camera. You don't have to use your voice. It's perfect if you're a newbie or if you're an experienced marketer or somebody with absolutely no experience. I will show you everything what you need to do. And at the end of the video, I will show you my secret hack software that you can absolutely double and speed up everything that you do. Watch this video to the end, guys. It's really important. And I will show you how you can make money every day, passive income using this method. And this is a passive income for life. Once you do this, you put the video out there and just leave it alone. You can make unlimited money. And the best bit is you can do this for free to start up. But like I said, guys, watch it to the end and I'm going to show you my secret bit of software. Now, before we go any further, do me a favor, guys, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. Why? Because that way I will send you my latest make money videos and affiliate reviews that you can see first. That means if you see them first, you can make money with them first. And I want you to do that. So please, guys, do me a favor, hit the subscribe and hit the bell. Now, I'm also doing something else for you. If you look at the comment section below this video, you'll see a little section here that says get my free training. If you click that, I will show you some free affiliate marketing training and how I got started making $100 days, and it's free. Above that, where it says grab a copy, this will be where my bonus hack is. If you want to grab it and speed things up, you can do. But guys, look at my free training. It's really good. And please hit the subscribe, hit the bell. That's it. Let me get on with the training. Right, guys, so what I want you to do first is go to YouTube, just youtube.com, okay, which you're going to get here. So just hit the home button. So what I want you to do, this is all about using other people's videos to make money. And the biggest thing at the moment is compilation videos. And I'm going to show you what I mean. Now, there are thousands out there. Okay, this is just an example. So if we type in funny animals, hit enter. So these are some of the views. These are getting 15 million, 25 million, 6 million, 33 million. Crazy. Just for putting videos that make people laugh. Now, obviously, you haven't got any of those videos, but there's an easy way of doing it. Hit filter. We're going to do two things on here. We're going to select Creative Commons. We're going to go back to filter. We're going to do view count. This is what comes up. Chicken versus dog fight. 2.6 million views. Cute animals being weird. 1.9 million. Amazing movies with animals, 157,000. Now you notice that we clicked Creative Commons. So let's just click into this video here. Just pause it. And then go down here. Where it says license, make sure it says Creative Commons Reuse Allow. That means you can use this video. You can copy it exactly as if it's your own, okay? So that's the first real simple thing you can do. You could just download this video. You could put a start screen on it, just a couple of Google slides. hit share, grab the link there, copy the link, and then go to YouTube Downloader, paste your link in there, download it to your laptop, and then just upload it straight back to YouTube, okay? Now what this guy does, this is 2 million views. He's got a link to Amazon dog product. Really poor description. But that will take you to one of his affiliate links, okay? And it's all about, it's a dog store basically. Well, he has had 2.6 million views. He is going to be making tons of sales. Now, where I went and said you could make $1,000 from copying videos, this is really possible, guys. Basically, for 1 million YouTube views, you get roughly $1,000 plus. Some people get a lot more than that. But let's take worst case scenario, $1,000. Well, he's had 2,677,000 views, 10,000 thumbs up. You can copy this video. I would just change it slightly. I'd put a couple of start screens on it, a couple of end screens on it, and make it your own. Now the other thing you could do is this. You could make a compilation list. So you would grab that one. I'd grab this one. Just grab the links by going to share, save link. Make sure it says Creative Commons, which it does. So what I would do, I would get 2 or 3 of these videos. This is exactly what I would do. And you would, so take that one, and take another one. This one here. So between them, you've got 2, 3, about 5 million views. You would put all those together, call them something, you know, cute animals being funny, 2019 compilation, because you're making it in 2019, you know, funny animals being weird, whatever. Put all 3 together, and you can do that in a simple editor. I use a Mac, so I do everything on a Mac, on Movie, but you could, there's loads out there that you can use. Tons of different ones out there you can use, and you just slice them together, put a front screen on it, put an end screen on it, and you have a video that you can use as your own. And then what you would do is you would put an affiliate link under it. If it was for animals like this, then you may as well go to an Amazon store and put an Amazon link to your store on it, or to a specific product. You know, if you looked at, if you do funny dog compilation, make sure we've got Creative Commons on. Let's make sure we've got view count. So these are all Creative Commons. Dog barking, 9 million views. Cute dogs, 1 million views. Try not to laugh at this dog, 19 million views. I mean, it is insane. Let's just make sure it's Creative Commons. Actually, it doesn't say on that one, unless I've missed it. Okay, let's go back. It's very important that you make sure that it says Creative Commons, because otherwise you're going to find yourself in a world of pain. It says Creative Commons, it must be. This one here, 19 million. That's the same one. Let me just pause it. You go down, and it will say Creative Commons in there somewhere. This one here, 9 million. Just pause it. Creative Commons. Unbelievable. You can use this. It's had 9 million views, guys. Grab this. Grab the other one. Grab 3 or 4 of them. Make a big compilation. Put them together. Change the front screen. Change the end screen. You're going to get millions of views. $1,000 for 1 million views. It ain't difficult. You could do this all day long, creating videos like this. Now, obviously, some of you are not proficient or experienced at putting videos together, but there is, I'm going to help you out here. There's a great bit of software that I just bought called VidChomper, okay? and it basically does it for you. I'm going to show you it now. Let me just pop over to it. So what VidChomper does, it's a brand new piece of software, guys. This absolutely makes putting these videos together seconds, okay? And you can do a lot more with it. This is it. It's so easy. There's 2 settings: create new video or your library, or search videos, okay? So you would go to search, you'd put your keyword in. Let's do dog compilation. And it brings up all these dog compilations, okay, which you can watch, or you can just select it. So select that, select that, select that, okay. You go back to the dashboard. So these are some other ones I was just playing around with. There you go, cats and dogs. You basically put these videos together on here, all the ones that you've chomped together, and it does it for you. You just select the 3 or 4 you want, hit go, and it will chomp the videos together. That is it. It does it for you. Now you can add front screens, back screens, PayPal buttons, all sorts to it. Okay, you can do all sorts with these videos, but it's one of the greatest bits of software out there. So you can trim it, you can do an outro where you can add a photo, music into it all. You can put slogans, you can put logos, animation, call to action buttons. You know, you could put add to cart button, which all go in here. You won't do it at the moment because I've not put a video in. But you can put all this in here, make your video look absolutely fantastic. And guys, it takes seconds. Anyone can do it. It's so easy. There is full training in the training list there, but honestly, anyone can do it. This is a demo version I've got, so that's not working at the moment. But VidChomper, it's out on the 22nd of August at 9 AM EST. Grab a copy, guys. It's absolutely brilliant, and it's going to save you so much time in putting these videos together. This method works. It's brilliant. It's going to make you money. Start a YouTube channel. Honestly, the options are unbelievable. Now, before I sign off, this is my website, bobbydonlinemarketing.com, guys. There's a review of VidChomper there, which I've just done. Have a read of it, and there's all my other affiliate reviews. There's hundreds of them. Please go and have a look at it. I give bonuses away with everything I buy. This is VidChomper. Comes out 22nd at 9 AM EST. And if you go down to the bottom, I'm going to give you all these for free. I'm going to give you Bing Ads Mastery Training, how to explode your YouTube channel, traffic explosion, free traffic frenzy, ultimate traffic mantra, and a 100-day blueprint. I'm giving you everything to help boost your videos even more with free traffic. Okay, and you only get those through my link. So on the 22nd, if you come to this web page, there'll be live links here that will say buy a copy now. Hit that, guys. Get my free software. You get all these for free. These are the OTOs which you can buy. They're all good, actually. OTO one's really good. The pro version, because you can get unlimited videos and renders. And the max bundle 397 is you get basically all the products that Brendan and Jono have released. And if you buy this one, upgrade 4, you also get a little special offer from me where you get 30 minutes of a Skype call with me, and we'll talk about affiliate marketing, YouTube, whatever you want. We'll talk about it, and I'll give you some advice on what you do. And you get that if you get upgrade 4. But guys, that is it, Video Chomp. This video compilation is the way forward. There's thousands of pounds to be made. Do it the normal way, or you can do it the quick way of VidChomp. I absolutely love this program. I've given it 9 out of 5. Grab a copy while you can, guys. I'm Bobby D. Thank you for listening, and I'll speak to you soon.